Hello, I want to talk about LUTs today. To put it simply, a LUT is a lookup table. It's a preset that allows you to change colour space in one click. It changes not only the colour, but also the contrast, tones, and so on. Actually, a LUT is a picture of a standard colours, which each colour corresponds to a new value. In Classic and Max, we have these LUT tables that have already been set for us. The ones in Max are hard coded, and the ones in Classic were created by Cybernescence and are not hard coded. Let's see what a lookup table actually does, shall we? Okay, so if we just load basic level. Okay, this level is nice green, blue skies, green grass, basic colours. Well, what we can do, if we go to Environment Effects and Filter Effect, these are the lookup tables that come as standard with Game Guru Max. So we can actually, if we choose this one, it changes the look of the game completely. This is basically what a lookup table does. It'll look at a colour and convert it to the colour that's been mapped to something else. They're all different kinds in here. The only problem with these ones is you cannot edit them. So what I've done is created an app that allows you to create your own colour lookup tables for Max or Classic. You can use any screenshot or image you want to use. I've just got a few here that I've created a while ago. Simple way of using this is to change a value. So we could change the contrast, make it glaring, and generate the LUT. And there's a lookup table generated for you. But the other options I've added to this, not just that. Let's create a basic LUT. So I've created a LUT. This is a neutral LUT because I didn't make any changes. But what I can do now is make it grayscale. Now the LUT is grayscale. Then what we can do is export that LUT to Max. One click. It'll ask for a name, so I'll put my grey LUT. Click OK. It'll tell you that it's actually exported it, and there we go. And now that is available in Max. Let's just do another LUT. This time we'll take the colours down a little bit, increase the brightness. It gives like a sepia effect. Generate the LUT there. Export that to Max. We'll call this my sepia. Click OK. And now that's been created. If we just close this, we'll go back into Max. We'll just test those LUTs. So load level, edit gain. Okay, let's just zoom out a little bit. So we'll go to Environment Effects, Filter Effect, and there's a list of LUTs. If we scroll to the bottom, you can see the two LUTs that I created. First one was my grey LUT, and we're living in a black and white world. If you want to do some Wizard of Oz levels, that's probably great for that. And the sepia one, well, more orange than sepia, but you get the gist of it. So that's it basically on creating LUTs. Now the other thing we can do with xLut now is I've put a manager in there. We can manage the LUT files. So if we choose Game Guru Max, it lists all the LUTs that are available currently in Max, and you can see my two at the bottom. And with this tool we can delete individual LUTs. The problem with this at the moment is that when Game Guru has an update, all these LUTs will be put back in, but yours will not. So what you got to remember is to create a backup. So if we close that, go to manage LUT files, choose backup, and all the LUTs are been backed up. So if we go back here now, go into the Game Guru Max, you can see that our LUT's here. If I delete the grey one, okay, the grey one is now gone, but my CP one is still there. We go into Max, load the test game, load the level, environment effects, filter effect, scroll down, you see that my grey is gone but my sepia is still there. What we can do, I didn't want to delete that, if we go back to manage LUT files we can restore, and we can restore the max LUT files. Tells you when it was backed up, so it was 1443. Yes, restore complete. I go back to manage LUT files, Game Guru Max, scroll down the list, you see my grey LUT has come back. So that's it for now. I'm going to send this out to testers, and as long as everything is working as should, which I think it is, I will release it very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.